This is a new Alfa Romeo Brera, and it looks really good in this modern day design. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, this is a stunning project, and it's actually made for fun. Now, Alfa Romeo is on a resurgence trend, and it's a subtle one considering that the brand only sold the Giulietta sedan and Stelvio crossover SUV since about 2016-2017. And the Giulia and Stelvio refresh for the 2023 model year in Europe and 2024 model year here in the States, well, that's brimming with special editions in various regions, like the Carbon Edition, like the 100th Anniversary Quadrifoglio Edition, and more coming. Now, the Tonale Compact Crossover SUV, slotted below the Stelvio in the range, is also opening new roads towards electrification as the company's first ever hybrid, not just the first new model in its 6 years. Now, additionally, the Italians are bringing out even more special cars like the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale sports car produced in just 33 examples starting sometime next summer. Now, this is powered by either a well-known 690T V6 engine or an all-electric powertrain, and this flagship bridges the gap between the past, present, and future in the marvelous Carrozzeria touring Superleggera built way. But what if, along this continued path of redemption of the additional revivals of these vehicles, Alfa Romeo considered a Brera? Yeah, just recently, the rumor mill discussed how the platinum Italian car maker may be interested in a new hatchback model to succeed the Giulietta from 2011 through 2020. Thus, nothing keeps the imaginative realm of the digital car content creators from dreaming even more rebirths. Now, this one is from a Polish automotive design student known as automatyve on social media, which I will link in the description below so you can check out their work. And really, it amazes a personal design project from the Alfa Romeo Brera Coupe that was conceived back in 2005 through 2010. And this comes back with a stunning design that would make the current compact sports car like the Nissan Z or BMW 2 Series Coupe, and next to the Alfa, well, they can feel pretty obsolete. Now, of course, this is just wishful thinking because the Pixel Master clearly even states that it's a design done in his free time. It's just for fun, so don't get your hopes up. And it's quite unfortunate because this hypothetical Brera has the right coordinates to succeed. The visual identity is reworked for the times we're living in, and you almost might mistake this for an Alfa Romeo EV. However, after you take a few times to look at this beautiful front LED treatment next to the perfect fastback coupe profile, you also notice the modern look of the wheels and cleanliness of the short rear overhangs is a revelation that's so simple, but those big exhaust tips show that this has something ice powered hidden under that long sweeping hood. Now, of course, since this is just a dream, there are no visions of the interior from the Pixel Master, and also there's a hint towards what can be inside of the engine bay. And if you were to really put it into perspective, it could probably handle a 2-liter turbo multi-air with 280 horsepower like the Giulia Veloce models, right? But with that said, what do you guys think about the design study of the Alfa Romeo Brera made just for fun? Could you see something like this in a production lineup? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Check out the social media links down in the description below and subscribe to the Ron's Rise YouTube channel. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.